Hello students, we come to the next part of this chapter, metals and non-metals. It is a part 2. In this session, we discuss the few more questions which is important to NCERT board exam. So let us see. Next question is displacement reaction. Then it should ask for what is displacement reaction. Then we can say that the displacement reaction is the reaction in which less reactive element or less reactive metal is displaced by more reactive metal. You can see in this reaction here zinc plus copper sulfate then react together, then it forms zinc sulfate and here copper is eliminated. See here students, zinc is a more reactive element than copper. So here copper is replaced by zinc and we here got zinc sulfate. Okay. Next is corrosion and their example. What is corrosion? Corrosion is the process in which metal is destructed or it destroys when it react with humidity. Okay, in humid air, etc. Okay, then it destroys or destruct in form of rust. Okay, the example of corrosion is rusting. Now, next question is prevention of corrosion. How we can prevent corrosion? We can prevent corrosion by painting, oiling and using lubricants. Okay. So, you mention it as well. Then now next question is what is alloy? Alloy is the process in which two or more metals diffuse to one another and new another metal is formed. Just like brass is alloy, bronze is a alloy and soldier is also alloy. Here brass is formed by when copper and zinc mix together and form a new element which is known as brass. Brands create when copper and tin react with each other. Okay. And here when lead and tin react with each other, it forms soldier. Now next question is extraction of metal. How we can extract metals? Metal is extracted by processes like concentration of ore. Ore is found ore is formed at abundant in the nature. Okay. So we get here by concentration of ore, conversion into oxide. Next process is reduction and refining. These all processes useful to get extract metal. Now next we come on the question what is galvanization. Then we know about corrosion. To reduce corrosion we can do the process galvanization. Then what is this? Here, the process of coating iron with zinc to prevent rusting. To prevent rusting, here iron is coated by zinc. Here, due to zinc, the rusting is prevented in some manner. Okay. Next question is why sodium stored in kerosene. Now, see student, kerosene is a more reactive element. When it is found in nature openly, then it react with air and gases in the atmosphere. Due to this, sodium stored in kerosene. Okay. Next, formula for rust. What is formula? There it is Fe2O3H2O. This question may be asked in exam for 1 mark question. Okay. Next question is why are ionic compound good conductors in molten state? So here students you can pay attention. In molten state ionic compounds are capable to free their ions freely or their ion can be moved freely. Due to this here it can conduct electricity as well as and it can be behave as a good conductor. Okay. So for that reason ionic compounds are good conductor in molten state. Okay. So dear students, on the chapter metal and non-metal we see here about 14 example which is very important according to your board exam. If you prepare this in good manner you can absolutely get good marks. Okay. Thank you.